Video.
Hey everybody, take two. Maybe you saw this before and maybe you didn't. I don't know. Technology doesn't want to tell us today. So if you don't know me, I'm Erica Hoke. I'm an infertility mentor and empowerment coach, and we're going to have some fun for the rest of the month doing fun Friday, festive Friday mocktails. So I already have mine here because this is our second take, but I'm going to walk you through how to make a nice, healthy, antioxidant-rich mocktail that you can take along to a party and make yourself, or just to have a little fun in the afternoon or whatever, you know, alcohol-free, of course. And this is great during your 2-week wait to help with gut health, boost your immune system, all the good things, right? So I like to start with this Ninja Red. It's a wolfberry antioxidant drink. So it's super high in antioxidants. If you don't have this available and you want to substitute it for something else, pomegranate juice, dark tart cherry juice would be great. Any of those things that have a nice, deep, rich color to them. We're going to just start with 1 ounce. So you can just get like a 1 ounce shot glass and put that in something fun. So pick a glass, a stemless wine glass, a martini glass, do a tumbler. You know, if you don't care about the glass and just more about what's in it, you want something bigger that's going to last you the afternoon to sip on, pick your favorite glass out, 1 ounce of this, and then I like to have something sparkling. So you could do LaCroix, I like Pellegrino. Another great choice is a sparkling kombucha. All kombucha is sparkling, I'm pretty sure. I like this flavor because it's kind of berry and it's a little bit on the tartar side. I like that versus sweet in my kombucha, but this mixes really, really well. And then add some citrus in. So I like the Simply Lemonade brand, or, and in addition to that, I like to add a drop of some kind of citrus essential oil that's labeled for ingestion. So lime is my go-to for that. If you're gonna add an essential oil to your drink, it's going to help with bioflavonoids for one, right? So that's really good. Catch one of my other videos where I highlight bioflavonoids and what they do for your fertility. But throw some ice in there so the oil sticks to the ice and doesn't float. And on that first sip, give you like an oil burn across the top of your lip where you just get the whole drop of oil. So just 1 drop of oil in here. I will drop this recipe in the comment section, and if you are watching on YouTube and you like this kind of content, you want my mocktails for the rest of the month, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. If you're watching on Facebook and you want to get notified, go ahead and head over to YouTube because Facebook does not like notifications. So health and blessings to you guys. I will see you here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon Eastern time. Bye-bye.